Whether it's a family barbecue, Hyde's, the ballpark, or a city street vendor, Central New Yorkers have been eating Hofmann hot dogs for generations. It's one of Syracuse's oldest businesses. In 1861, Frank Hofmann left Germany and settled in Syracuse. He brought with him his original sausage recipes. In 1879, his sons, August and John, started a wholesale and retail meat market, Hofmann Brothers, manufacturing sausage on a large scale. But it wasn't until 1934 that the German-inspired White Wonder, the snappy griller, was introduced. Made with quality cuts of meat and spices and all-natural casings, which give them their familiar snap when eating. Hofmann's retains high local customer loyalty from all over Central New York. The company has expanded into more national markets and last year produced more than 4.5 million pounds of hot dogs, sausage, bologna, and lunch meats.